Understanding fair deal, a guide to English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of the English language, one phrase at a time. Today, we're diving into the phrase, fair deal. If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation, then you're in the right place. So, let's break it down together and make sure that you walk away from today's lesson ready to strike a fair deal in English. The phrase, fair deal, is quite straightforward. When we say something is a fair deal, we're talking about a situation, agreement, or transaction that is just, equitable, and satisfactory for everyone involved. It implies a sense of honesty, balance, and good value. Think of it as a handshake where both people are equally happy with what they're getting. While the concept of fairness is as old as human interaction, the term fair deal specifically has been part of English vernacular for quite some time. It's often associated with a broader concept of fairness in trade and relationships. Deal, in this context, refers to a business transaction or agreement between parties. Now, let's put our phrase into action. How do you use fair deal in everyday sentences? Here are some examples. I think paying $20 for this vintage jacket is a fair deal. We need to ensure that all partners in the project get a fair deal. After some negotiation, we both walked away believing we got a fair deal. Using fair deal can also extend beyond commerce or trade, encompassing fairness in opportunities and treatment. It's interesting to note that fair deal can be used in a variety of contexts, not just in shopping or business. It can be applied to relationships, politics, law, and more. For instance, in relationships, I do the cooking, and you do the cleaning. That's a fair deal, right? In politics, the government is seeking a fair deal for its citizens in the international agreement. In law, the defendant accepted a plea bargain because it seemed like a fair deal given the circumstances. Understanding the versatility of fair deal will enrich your English vocabulary and allow you to engage more deeply with different topics. That's it for our exploration of the phrase, fair deal. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this term effectively. Remember, a fair deal is all about balance and equity. It's a win-win situation. If you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing and aim for those fair deals in all your English conversations.